Hi everyone, welcome to my channel GK for all competitive exams. Today in this video I am going to discuss about most expected questions for all competitive exams. This video useful for TSPSC Group 1, SSC CGL, FCI, TSPSC DAO, TS High Court Junior Assistant exam. In this video I am also going to provide additional information which is very helpful in your preparation. Let's start our class. Which article considered as the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Option A, Article 30, Option B, Article 32, Option C, Article 25, Option D, Article 21. And correct answer is Option B, Article 32. Article 32 is related to fundamental rights. First of all, fundamental rights deals with Article 12 to 35. Fundamental rights are taken from US Constitution. My pen is not working properly. That is the reason my writing is not good. You can understand what I am saying. Article 32 is right to constitutional remedies. Article 30 is right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions. Article 25 deals with profess and practice religion of their choice. Article 21 deals with protection of life and personal liberty. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, called as father of Indian Constitution. And also Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the chairman of drafting committee. Drafting committee consists of 7 members. 1 chairman plus 6 members. Remember these points. And citizens can approach the Supreme Court if there is a violation of fundamental rights according to Article 32. Remember these points. Next question. Kamakya temple situated in which state? Option A, Bihar. Option B, Gujarat. Option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Option D, Assam. And correct answer is option D, Assam. In Assam, Manas National Park is there, Kaziranga National Park is there, Orang National Park is there, and one more important point, previously I had made a video related to Trick to Remember National Parks of Assam. Go and watch that video. Bihu dance also related to Assam. Bagurumba is the folk dance of Assam. And one more important point, previously I also made video of folk dances of India. I will provide link in the description box. Go and watch that video. Next one, Gujarat. Gir National Park is situated in Gujarat, which is famous for Asiatic lions. Garba is the dance form of Gujarat. Bidesiya is the folk dance of Bihar. Madhubani paintings got GI tag, which is related to the state of Bihar. Recently, Arunachal Pradesh state adopted Kaisar-i-Hind state butterfly as state butterfly. Kaisar-i-Hind adapted as state butterfly by Arunachal Pradesh state. Remember, and one more important point, Arunachal orange got GI tag. Remember these points. There may be chances of asking these questions in your upcoming exams. Next question. Which article deals with the ordinance making power of the President? Option A, Article 112. Option B, Article 123. Option C, Article 213. Option D, Article 111. And correct answer is option B, Article 123. What is the article of 213? This is the ordinance making power of the governor. Remember this point. What is the article of 112? There is no, in our constitution, there is no mention of a word budget, but there is a mention of a word annual financial statement. Article 112 deals with annual financial statement. What about Article 111? Article 111 deals with assent of the President. After passing of bills by the Parliament, the bill has to be assented by the President is required. Remember this point. And one more important point. Recently, president elections are conducted. Article 52 says there will be a President of India. Article 54 deals with election of the President. Article 55 deals with manner of election of the President. Article 61 deals with impeachment of the President. Article 72 deals with pardoning power of the President. Article 61 impeachment of the President we adopted from US Constitution. Remember these points. And election, who are participated in the election of the President? Elected members of both the houses of the Parliament, elected members of State Legislative Assembly, elected members of Union Territories of Puducherry, Delhi and Jammu and Kashmir. Remember these points. Next question. Right to education implemented from option A 1st April 2010, option B 26 January 1950, option C 1st January 2015, option D 26 November 1949. And correct answer is option A 1st April 2010. Right to education also included in fundamental rights. Article 21A. Right to education added by 86th Constitutional Amendment Act of 2002. Remember this point. 26 January 1950 is the date of commencement of the Indian Constitution. 1st January 2015, Niti Aayog formed in the place of Planning Commission. 26 November 1949 is the date of adoption of the Indian Constitution. This is the date of 26 November 1949 mentioned in the preamble of our Indian Constitution. Next important one, 22nd July 1947 in Constituent Assembly adopted national flag. On July 22, 1947 national flag adopted. On January 24, 1950 national anthem adopted. Remember these points. And one more important point. First meeting of the Constituent Assembly conducted on 9th December 1946. On the meeting, temporary president elected. Who is the senior most member of the assembly? Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. Permanent president of the assembly elected by the Constituent Assembly on December 11th, 1946. Permanent President of the Constituent Assembly, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Remember these points. Next question. And one more important point, December 13, 1946, objective resolution moved by Jawaharlal Nehru. Remember these points. Next question. Which article deals with right to life and personal liberty? Option A, Article 19. Option B, Article 25. Option C, Article 23. Option D, Article 21. And correct answer is option D, Article 21. Article 25, in previous slide I have explained it. Right to profess and practice any religion of their choice. Article 23 is related to right against exploitation. Right against exploitation deals with Article 23 and 24. Article 23 is prohibition of human trafficking. Article 24 deals with prohibition of employment of children in factories and hazardous jobs. Article 19 deals with right to freedom. Right to freedom consists of 6 rights: freedom of speech and expression, freedom of association, freedom of movement, freedom of assembly, freedom of profession, freedom of residence. Next question. Fundamental duties are taken from which constitution? Option A, American Constitution. Option B, USSR Constitution. Option C, Britain Constitution. Option D, Irish Constitution. And correct answer is option B, USSR Constitution. USSR Constitution is presently Russian Constitution. Fundamental duties deals with Part 4A, Article 51A. Remember this point. We from American Constitution we took fundamental rights, judicial review. From Britain Constitution we took parliamentary government, bicameralism, single citizenship. From Irish Constitution, directive principles of state policy. Indian Constitution adopted directive principles of state policy deals with Part 4 and from Article 36 to 51. Remember these points. Next question. World Wetlands Day observed every year on which date? Option A, August 5th. Option B, February 2nd. Option C, February 4th. Option D, June 5th. And correct answer is option B, February 2. Every year, World Wetlands Day observed on February 2nd. Remember this point. And one more important point. I made a playlist related to Ramsar sites. Go and watch that video. There may be chances of asking Ramsar sites in your exams. India has 71 Ramsar sites. Next question. Hornbill Festival celebrated in which state? Option A, Madhya Pradesh. Option B, Karnataka. Option C, Nagaland. Option D, Andhra Pradesh. And correct answer is option C, Nagaland. Naga Mircha got GI tag. Bamboo dance also related to Nagaland. Recently, Ranganathitu Bird Sanctuary declared as wetland. Madhya Pradesh. Kanderi sarees got GI tag. And recently Sakya Sagar and Yeshwant Sagar declared as wetlands. Boj wetland also related to Madhya Pradesh. Remember these points. And related to Andhra Pradesh, Kuchipudi is the dance form of Andhra Pradesh and Yakshagan is the dance form of Karnataka. Remember this point. Sri Kalahasti paintings got GI tag which is from Andhra Pradesh. Tirupati Laddu got GI tag which is also from Andhra Pradesh. Flamingo Festival celebrated in Andhra Pradesh. Kolleru Lake is also from Andhra Pradesh. Remember these points. Next question. Which amendment called as Mini Constitution of India? Option A, 44th Constitutional Amendment Act 1978. Option B, 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. Option C, 52nd Amendment Act 1985. Option D, 74th Amendment Act 1992. And correct answer is option B, 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. 42nd Amendment Act 1976 added three new words to the preamble. What are the words? Socialist, secular and integrity. And 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act added fundamental duties in our Indian Constitution, which deals with Part 4A and Article 51A. Remember this point. 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976 raised the term of Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies from 5 years to 6 years, but this was changed to original means 6 years to 5 years by 44th Constitutional Amendment Act 1978. Remember this point. 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976 raised the term of Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies from 5 years to 6 years. Then 44th Constitutional Amendment Act 1978 changed 6 years to 5 years means original. Remember this point. And 44th Constitutional Amendment Act 1978 deleted right to property as a fundamental right and changed it to legal right under Article 300A. Remember this point. 52nd Amendment Act 1985 added 10th schedule to the Indian Constitution, which deals with anti-defection law. 74th Amendment Act 1992 gave constitutional status to urban local bodies and added 12th schedule to the Indian Constitution, which deals with municipalities. And municipalities consist of 18 functional items. Remember these points. Next question. Diarchy was introduced by which act? Option A, Indian Council Act of 1909. Option B, Government of India Act of 1935. Option C, Government of India Act of 1919. Option D, Indian Independence Act of 1947. And correct answer is option B, Government of India Act of 1919. It is also called as Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. It introduced bicameralism for the first time and direct elections in the country. Indian Council Act of 1909, also called as Lord Morley Minto reforms, and Minto called as father of communal electorate because Minto created separate electorates for Muslim. What is the meaning of separate electorate of Muslim? Because means Muslim representative can be voted by Muslim voters. It extended separate electorates for Sikhs, Anglo-Indians and Europeans by Government of India Act of 1919. Indian Council Act of 1909 only created separate electorate for Muslims, but Government of India Act of 1919 extended separate electorates for Sikhs, Anglo-Indians, Europeans. Remember this point. Indian Independence Act of 1947 ended British rule and provided India sovereign, independent and sovereign country from August 15, 1947. Remember this point. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I think I have provided maximum information in this video. If you really like this video, like, share and subscribe to this channel. If you want more videos like this, comment your opinion in comment section and provide me the topics which you want, I will provide video. Thank you.